Okay, they can chat. I have another guess what the heck is it. I have my family and friends around, and we're gonna try to guess what this is. Ready? Go.
A case.
This time I'm gonna feel it and I'm gonna touch it.
Wait.
Come on. Oh, I already know.
Let her guess. Let her guess. She...
Open, yeah.
Oh, I think it's like I think it's pads for like some pads for your mouse.
Nope,
I think
next.
it's like
It's a portable drink hold. I don't know.
It's a what?
It's a portable what is it
Drink
called
holder.
again? No, not a drink holder, but the thing you put over drinks.
No.
Coaster.
Coaster,
No,
yes.
next.
It's not.
So this.
It's a
I'm
puzzle.
sorry, I left you last again. It comes in 4 pieces.
Can I
Pouches,
see this?
nothing for storage.
A puzzle.
is it a puzzle?
Rocketbook. What
Portable mouse pad.
do they stick somewhere?
Well, they peel off, but don't peel them
don't
off
peel 'em
because
off.
you don't need them. You don't really need them to know what it is.
I don't know. I have no guess.
Next. Go.
Oh! Do you write
Wait,
messages in them? Oh, okay. No, I think I get it now.
Is that what it is? No. Don't peel it. Please, not
No,
right now.
I think I know what you do. You guys keep playing. It's not a puzzle.
This is the Avicii,
But
the
it makes
Avicii
us feel
logo.
good by putting the pieces together.
Okay, make sure. Okay.
Okay, I
Okay.
already
Finally, the person that made actually guess it. You go.
Supposed to use them to make like a plain whiteboard. So I think they like give you definition on a whiteboard so that you can then take a picture of what you write on the whiteboard and then scan it.
Okay, you're like 99% sure.
forgot
Can
the
you get
code.
in your phone? So
I
this is what you
think-
do with this. So we're gonna set up 4 corners.
Hey, stop.
The idea behind these 4 corners, which are called
Beacons.
beacons, they will allow you to put this on whiteboards. As you can see, you can make it small or large. I think it's up to 100 inches, 100-inch board. And if you're doing a collaboration like we're doing right now, and you need to share this important collaboration information with everyone in the room, what you do is
You scan it with the Rocketbook app, and it sends it. This is what you get, and then you can share it.
through email or text, correct?
You can share it this way. You tap on that, and it allows you to share any which way, either to an email, to a text, uploading to a drive, to clouds. I think it's like 6 different destinations you can choose.
Okay. So I hope
do share 'cause everybody
I hope you
shares
like the
their
video.
business
Thank you.
names.
Bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.